Envious neighbor store.
Envious neighbor. Yes. So take your notes. So you should follow the same note. I already told you. You should follow the same note. Now take a note, put today's date, and then write the topic. First supplementary, the envious neighbor. Sit in one proper place. Jivita. All of you visible or video? Visible or video? Kritika?
Yes, ma'am. I'm visible, ma'am.
Yes. Sit in proper place. Lily Blissy, where are you? Why are you wearing mask? Deepika, visible or video? Yes, Preeti, Deepika R. Deepashri, I want to see everyone's face. Mohana,
Visible, ma'am.
yes. So, 27 students only here. So, let's wait for 2 minutes. So, first, write the topic, take a note and write the topic. Envious neighbor. The envious neighbor, first supplementary. So, first, write the glossary. First, write the glossary with the meaning. Covetous, covetous. Covetous means what? Having or showing a great desire to possess something belonging to someone. So, covetous means what? Having or showing a great desire to possess something belonging to someone. ஸோ அடுத்தவங்க பொருளை பார்த்து பேராசைப்படுறது. ஸோ அடுத்தவங்க பொருளை வந்து அடைய நினைக்கிறது தான் என்னது கவச்சஸ். ஸோ நம்ம எப்பவுமே அடுத்தவங்க பொருளுக்கு ஆசைப்படக்கூடாது. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஃபார் கவட்டஸ்? Having or showing a great desire to possess. Possess means what? To own. To possess something belonging to someone. Covetous. And then martyr. What is the meaning for martyr? What is given here? A hard, strong bond in which substances are crushed to powder. So in those days, our grandmothers and our great grandmothers used to grind things using a stone. So அம்மிக்கல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அம்மிக்கல்லு, உரல்னு கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அதுதான் என்னது மார்டர்.
Yes, ma'am.
ஸோ ஒரு கப் ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். அந்த கப் ஷேப்ல நடுவில் ஒரு சின்ன ஹோல் இருக்கும். அந்த ஹோல்ல தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? கிரெயின்ஸ் ஏதோ சம்திங் கிரெயின்ஸோ இல்லை ரைஸ் ஏதோ போட்டுட்டு அப்புறமா இன்னொரு கல் இருக்கும். அதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? வி யூஸ் டு கிரைண்ட். அதுதான் என்னது மார்டர். Next one, obliges. What is the meaning for that? Make legally or morally bound to something. make legally or morally bound to do something. So what is the next one? Tidbit. So tidbit is a tasty food. So what is the given? What is the meaning given here? A small piece of tasty food. A small piece of tasty food. That is tidbit. But no need to message here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can unmute and you can ask me. And next, vaguing. Vaguing means what? Moving or causing to move rapidly to and fro. ஸோ நாய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த வால் ஆட்டிகிட்டே போகும். அதுதான் என்னது? வேகிங். மூவிங் ஆர் காசிங் டு மூவ் ரேப்பிட்லி டு அண்ட் ஃப்ரோ. Or you might have seen the army officers. So while doing the march past, they used to wave their legs, isn't it? So vaguing, moving or causing to move rapidly to and fro. And then withered. Withered means become dry and shriveled. And then additional glossary is also given. Filth. Filth means what? Disgusting dirt. So ரொம்ப அழுக்கான ட்ரெஸ் போட்டு நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? அத filthy, filth. Disgusting dirt. Next one, furious. Furious means what? Extremely angry. So furious, what is the meaning for that? Extremely angry. And then gather. Gather, bring together. Bring together. And then mortar, we already seen, isn't it? So what is the mortar? A cup-shaped vessel in which substances can be ground and mixed with the pestle. So pestle na enaduna? அதை வச்சு குத்துற மாதிரி அந்த இது மாதிரி உரல் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதுதான் அது பெசல். Next, precious. Precious means what? Valuable, inestimable. Next, treasure, prized possession. Prized possession. So treasure na என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? புதையல் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுதான் என்னது? Treasure, prized possession. Next, scatter. Scatter means what? Throw in various random direction. So அப்படியே செதற வருது. அதான் என்னது? Scatter. Next is spade. Spade means what? A tool with a sharp edge, metal blade and a long handle. So spade na கடப்பாரு. So ஒரு long metal இருக்கும். So அதுதான் என்னது spade. So these are all the glossary, important glossary which is in this supplementary, which is in the story. The envious neighbor. So envious na என்ன அர்த்தம்னா jealous, பேராசை. The envious neighbor என்னது பேராசை பிடித்த. Neighbor means what? Next door. பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்காரர் சொல்லுவாங்க. The envious neighbor. So what are all the glossary given here? Covetous, mortar, obliges, and then tidbit, wagging, withered, filth, furious, gather, mortar, precious, treasure, scatter, spade. So these are all the important glossary which is given in this story. Have you written this?
Yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
we are going to see the 1 marks. 1 marks which is in this story. First, we are going to see the second question. This is which is in point where yesterday I haven't given this, isn't it? So that is easier. So it is not that much easier. So see here, fill in the blanks. Refer to what happened to the folk tale and complete the story with the help of the hints given in the mind map. There lived an honest man with his wife who had a favorite dash, got a treasure. So if you have watched that video, you can say the answer for that. So that farmer, that honest man had a favorite dog, isn't it? So he gave the dog tidbit.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am, it's very black in color. ma'am.
you can zoom in your mobile.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, you can zoom it.
It's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, you zoom it, zoom and you can write. So what is the first one? There lived an honest man with his wife who had a favorite dog. He helped them, got a treasure. Second one, there dwelt. So what is the meaning for dwelt? So dwelt means what? Lived. Lived, L-I-V-E-D, lived. Dwelt means what? Lived. L-I-V-E-D, lived. So there lived a covetous and stingy old man and woman found nothing. So covetous means what? Covetous means what? Jealous. There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman found nothing. So see the third one. The wicked old couple seized the dog and buried at the roof of a pine tree. So what happened? They killed, that neighbors killed the dog, and then what happened? They buried the dog at the roof of a pine tree. So seized means what? Capture. The wicked old couple seized. Seized means capture. They captured the dog and they killed that. And then what they did? They buried at the roof of a pine tree. And then fourth one. They broke up the mortar and burnt. They broke up the mortar and burnt. Fifth one. They collected all the ashes that remained and having put them in a basket. So this is your book bag exercises. Fill in the blanks which is given in this supplementary.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
First we have
Ma'am.
seen glossary, and then we have seen what? Fill in the blanks which is in that story. So next we are going to see the identify the character. Identify the character. See the first question. They gathered the treasure. They gathered the treasure. So who gathered the treasure? Who gathered the treasure? The honest old couple. So in this story, we have two couples, isn't it? So first one is honest old couple, and the next one is the neighbor who was very stingy and envious. Who got the treasure in the story? The honest old couple only got the treasure. So they got the treasure. They got the treasure. Answer: the honest old couple. Second question: the pine tree under which I am buried. That is not hurried, buried. To be cut down and made into a mortar. Who said these words? So who was buried under the pine tree? Who was buried under the pine tree? The dog, isn't it? So what is the question given here? The pine tree under which I am buried. B-U-R-R-I-E-D. That is not H. B. I am buried to be cut down and made into a martyr. So these are all the words which was told by the dog. So after the death, what happened? That dog came into the dream of the honest old couple. So honest old dream. So in that dream only, the dog told these words. ஸோ அந்த டாகை வந்து புதைச்சோன்னே என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, அந்த புதையல் வந்து அந்த ஹானஸ்ட் அந்த ஓல்டு மேனுக்கு கனவுல வந்து என்ன சொல்லிச்சு, நான் வந்து என்னை புதைச்ச இடத்துல கட் பண்ணி பாருங்க, கட் பண்ணிட்டு அதை ஒரு மாற்றரா செய்யுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு யார் சொன்னது? டாக். The dog to the good old man. The dog to the good old man. So third one, they dug and found nothing but a quantity of dirt and nasty offal. Who found nothing? The envious neighbor.
Finished, ma'am.
So what is your first question? They gathered the treasure. Who gathered the treasure? The honest old couple. And then what happened? The neighbor captured the dog. They captured the dog, and then what happened? They killed that and they buried under the pine tree. So after that, what happened? The dog. So the dog came into the dream of the honest man's dream. So honest man's dream, and it told that you just cut down the pine tree and then made a mortar from the pine tree. So சொன்னது யாரு? The dog. And then third one, they dug and found nothing but a quantity of a dirt and nasty offal. So what is the answer for this? The envious neighbor. Next, see the fourth one. He had not to wait long before he was called into a prince's palace and ordered to exhibit his power. Whose words these are? The envious old man. Next one, fifth one, it's easy only. What is given there? Bow, wow, wow. So, obviously the answer is the dog.
Dog.
The dog.
So, these are all your identify the speaker. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Completed,
ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, see the mind map. Please zoom it and watch this. First one, see the first one.
Okay, ma'am.
There lived an honest man with his wife who had a favorite dash and got a treasure. First one we already seen, isn't it? So that honest old man, what they had? They had a what? They had a pet dog. They had a pet dog, isn't it? Favorite dog, which got a treasure. That is your first one. See the second one. There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman dash who came and borrowed the dog. And then see the third one. The wicked old couple seized the dog, and what happened? They captured the dog, and then what happened? They killed the dog, isn't it? So they killed the dog, and then what happened? They buried the dog under the pine tree. So what is the third one? The wicked old couple seized the dog and killed it. Fourth one, they broke up the mortar and burnt it. Fifth one, they collected all the ashes that remained and put them in a basket. So this is your mind map. So see the arrow mark, first point, and then see the arrow mark. What's your second point? There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman who came and borrowed the dog. And then third point, the wicked old couple seized the dog and killed it. So please watch the video again, then only you can understand the story. So this is your mind map. First, you should know the meaning of the story, envious neighbor. So, envious na enadhu? Jealous. Jealous na enna artham? Perasai. So, perasai pidithavan artham. Neighbor. So, neighbor na yaru? One who lived in our next door. நம்ம பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்காரர் சொல்லுவாங்க, அவங்க தான் யாரு? Neighbor. First, you should know the meaning of the lesson and then you should understand the concept. Then only you can write this. Yes, have you written?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait for few minutes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I will show it again. Yes. Make it fast. So if it is
Yes.
not visible means you can zoom it and write.
Yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Yes, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your key points. So this is your key points. This is a common point, for all the paragraphs. So in this supplementary we have 4 paragraphs. So yesterday I have sent you only 2 paragraphs. In next week I have sent you the next 2 paragraphs. So this will be useful for you to write all the 4 paragraphs. So see the first point, a pet dog brought treasure to an old couple. So this is your first point. A pet dog brought treasure to an old couple. So in this story we have 2 couples. First one is honest old couple and next one is envious couple, isn't it? So the honest couple only had a dog. See the second point, it did not bring wealth to wicked couple. So after seeing that wicked couple, they borrowed the dog, and then what happened? They test the dog whether whether the dog bring the same treasure for them, but the dog didn't bring wealth to the old wicked couple. So what is your third point? They killed and buried it under a pine tree. So they got angry. So that after that what happened? They killed the dog. They killed the dog and buried it under a pine tree. So on the next point, the honest couple made a mortar using the pine tree. So in his dream, the dog told to made a mortar using the pine tree. So that what happened? The honest couple made mortar using the pine tree. And then see the next point. It turned each grain into treasure. ஸோ அந்த மார்ச்சரில் அரைக்கும் போது அது அரைச்சது அந்த அரைச்சி வர அந்த கிரெயின்ஸ்ல என்னவா இருந்தது? ஃபுல்லா கோல்டாவே மாறிடுச்சு. It turned each grain into treasure. Treasure means what? Valuable thing. See the next point. For the wicked couple, it gave filth only. ஸோ அந்த ஹானஸ்ட் மேன் அரைக்கும்போது அதுலேருந்து வந்த கிரெயின்ஸ் என்னவா வந்துச்சு? ஃபுல்லாக கோல்டு ப்ரெஷியஸ் திங்ஸாக வந்துச்சு. பட் இந்த சேம் வாட்டரில் அந்த விக்கெட் கப்பல் அரைக்கும் போது அதுலேருந்து என்ன வந்துச்சு? இட் கேவ் ஒன்லி த ஃபில்த். ஃபில்த் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? இட் கேவ் ஒன்லி த டர்ட்டி திங்ஸ். See the next point. They broke and burnt it into ashes. So here they refers to the wicked couple. So that wicked couple got angry. So that what happened? They broke the mortar into pieces and then they burnt it.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished,
Okay, the
ma'am.
next point. The honest couple, the ashes turned the withered and trees alive. So withered means what? Withered என்ன சொன்னேன் நானு? Dry. Withered means what? Dry. So dry ஆன அந்த ட்ரீஸ் கூட என்ன பண்ணுச்சு? இந்த ashes தூண உடனே the trees become alive. And then see the next point. The prince rewarded them. And then wicked couple, the ashes flew into the prince's eyes. They were punished. So these are all your important points to write all the paragraphs.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your key point. Yes, completed.
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you are going to read the glossary. I am going to show you the glossary. So that only I am going to ask you now. So read that all the glossary now. Yes. Zoom it and read all these questions now. I'll give you 5 minutes time to read all this and then I'm going to ask you questions from this.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
You should zoom it.
Okay, ma'am.
Read all this. Now I'm going to ask you a question from this glossary, and then I will show you the mind map, and from that also I'm going to ask you a question. Don't take too much of time, only few minutes. But you should say the answer only in English. You should not say it in Tamil.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am,
Yes? Yes?
screen is
Can
not
you hear me?
visible, ma'am.
Ma, please zoom it, ma. That only I'm telling. Zoom it and see.
No, ma'am, it's not coming on screen itself.
For me also, ma'am.
You are not able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
It's
ma'am.
You have
black
written
Visible
it.
color.
only, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible, right? Yeah, or you can write it
It's
in your note,
visible
right?
only.
See the note and
Visible
see. See
only,
the note and
ma'am.
read.
Visible only, ma'am.
Screen is visible
Ma'am,
only,
it's
ma'am.
visible, ma'am.
So, okay. Or the screen is not visible means you can see your note and read.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything I have written in your note, right? See the note and read. Yes, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I ask you a question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Listen, I'm going to ask everyone. So, please, if I call you means you should unmute and you should say the answer. Clear? First, Malini. Malini,
Ma'am,
please unmute yourself.
unmuted,
Tell
ma'am.
me the meaning for the word gather.
Gather.
Gather. Gather means what?
Bringing together.
Bringing together. So, and then next, Deepashri. Deepashri. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes. For you, question is furious. What is the meaning for furious?
Extremely angry, ma'am.
Extremely angry. And then next, Yuvashri. Yuvashri,
Ma'am.
what is the meaning for treasure? Treasure. What is the meaning for? Huh?
Precious.
Prized possession.
Sorry, ma'am.
Possession. Next, Shri Visa. Shri Visa. What is the full? What is their full
yes,
name?
madam. I'm Sri Vishaka, ma'am.
Shri Vishaka. Yes. What is the meaning for filth?
Not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm asking you question, ma. Filth. Filth means what? Filth. Filth. Filth.
Disgusting
Filth
dirt.
with disgusting dirt.
Dirt.
Next. Yes. Next. Preeti. Preeti.
Ma'am.
Where is Preeti?
Ma'am.
Are
Can
you
you hear
here?
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Preeti. Your question is covetous.
Having covetous, ma'am.
Yes.
Having or showing some. Uh, having or showing a great desire to possess
Hmm.
something belonging to someone.
Okay. Good. Next. Hamda. Hamda. Hamda.
Ma'am, can
Can
you
you
hear
hear
me,
me,
ma'am?
Hamda? Yes.
Breaking.
So tell me the meaning for mortar. What is mortar? What is mortar?
Ma'am,
A
shall
cup
I, ma'am?
shaped who?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jeevita, ma'am. Jeevita.
Hamda,
Ma'am,
can you hear me,
Vinita,
Hamda?
ma'am.
Cannot
Yes, Vinita.
you
Vinita.
hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Vinita, tell me the answer for mortar.
A hard, strong bond in which
Hmm.
substance are
Hmm.
crushed to powder.
Okay. Okay. Good. Next. Kritika, visible video. Unmute yourself. Kritika. K. Kritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the meaning for tidbit.
Tasty, small pieces of tasty food, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Thank you.
Unmute yourself. Lily Blizzy. Lily Blizzy. Lily Blizzy.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me the meaning for wagging.
breaking, moving or
Moving or
causing to move,
hmm. Moving or causing
to move,
to move
rap, to and from.
to move rapidly to and fro. Next. Priyadashni. Priyadashni. Yes. Tell me the meaning for withered. Withered.
Become,
Withered. Become
dry and
become dry and become dry
shriveled.
and shriveled. So become dry and shriveled. Next. Sivashri. Sivashri. Yes. Tell me the meaning for furious.
Ma'am, once again.
Furious.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, I can hear you. Tell me the answer. Furious.
curious, ma'am.
What is the meaning for furious? Huh?
Extremely anger.
Extremely
Anger.
angry. Next, Achaya. Achaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the meaning for treasure.
Prized possession.
Prized possession. So these are all your glossary, isn't it? So now you are going to read
Mind map.
this thing, mind map. I am going to ask you from this question. Yes, read this. Only few minutes. You should not take too much of time. Only 5 questions are there. So if you are thorough with this glossary and mind map, and then also I have given you the key points. So if you are thorough with it, you can easily write any paragraph. Make it fast.
Completed reading, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Yes, shall I ask you a question?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Janani, Janani, first question. They broke up the mortar dash. They broke up the mortar dash. What is the answer?
Un
Mortar.
Hmm?
Unburned.
unburned.
And
Burned.
and burnt it. Okay, super. Next, Nityashri. Nityashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Nityashri.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Your question is the wicked old couple seized the dog and dash.
Killed it.
Hmm?
Ma'am, killed it.
Killed it.
Ma'am.
So, okay, killed it. I can hear you. Next,
Okay, ma'am.
Kavya, P. Kavya.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Your question is they collected all the ashes that remained dash.
And put them in a basket.
And put them in a basket. Mohana. Mohana. Mohana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman dash.
Who came and borrowed the dog?
Who came and borrowed the dog? Good. And then
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? Monisha, ma'am.
Vinita. Vinita.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking everyone. I'm asking everyone. Vinita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. They collected all the ashes that remained dash.
And put them in a basket, ma'am.
And put them in a basket. And
Basket.
then Monisha. Monisha. There dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman dash.
Who came and borrowed the dog?
Who came and borrowed the dog. Ajantya. Ajantya. Ajantya, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes. Your question is, there lived an honest man with his wife who had a dash, got a treasure. Dog which got a treasure. Next, T Ramya. T Ramya. T Ramya. T Ramya. B Ramya, 9B.
Ma'am.
Yes. Your question is, they collected all the ashes that remained dash. They collected all the ashes that remained dash. Yes.
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
They collected all the ashes that remained dash.
Ma'am, shall I, ma'am?
Who?
Ma'am, shall I, ma'am? Vinita, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
Preeti.
asked.
Vinita, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sweet Marlene, ma'am.
Sweta, M. Sweta.
Punita, ma'am. Ma'am, Sweet Marlene,
M. Sweta.
Ma'am, Shivashaka.
Say Sweet Merlin.
Ma'am, Punita, ma'am.
Tell me the answer for that. They
Ma'am, question, ma'am.
collected all the ashes. Huh?
Ma'am, and put them in basket.
I'm not able to hear you. Tell me the answer again. And put them in a basket.
Put them in a basket.
Okay, good. So the class is going to end now. So after this class, what you should do, you should watch the video again, and then now I have given you the glossary, and then mind map, and then the important key points I have given you, isn't it? So go through all this. Go through all this and also read the first and second questions, which I have given you as a homework. So next week, in the sense Monday, I will give you the next two questions. So totally in this lesson, in the supplementary, we have 4 questions, 4 paragraphs. So if you read that points, key points only, you can write all the 4 question answers, 4 paragraphs. Then only it will be easier for you to read all the paragraphs. Clear? First you should be thorough with the mind map and then the key points. Then only you should read the paragraphs. Clear? So thank you, children. So you can leave the class now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.